Hello kids, good morning. Hope you all are keeping well. So today I'm back with the new chapter, chapter 17, Curiosity. Before I explain this chapter, let's read the poem, okay? Tell me everything. What makes it winter and then spring? Which are the children butterflies? Why do people keep winging their eyes? Where do birds sleep? Do bees like to sting? Tell me, please, everything. Tell me, I want to know. What makes leaves grow in the shapes they grow? Why do goldfish keep chewing and rabbits wobble their noses just from habits? Where does the wind, when it goes away, go? Tell me, or don't even grown-ups know? Curiosity. Now let's understand the meaning of the curiosity. If you are interested in something and if you are wanted to know more about that particular thing, then it means that you are curious. You wanted to know something more about that particular thing. Okay? You might have seen the small kids. They ask many questions. Why it rain? Why the color of the leaves is green? Why do they ask all these questions? Why do they ask all this question? They ask this question out of curiosity to know something more about those things, okay? Tell me everything. What makes it winter and then spring? So the picture, the girl in the picture in this poem, you can see. The girl is asking that, what makes it winter and then spring? In India, we have 3 seasons. Rainy seasons, summer season and winter season, okay? But in some parts of, some countries of the world, they have spring seasons too. Spring is a season comes after winter and before summer, means in the mid of this both the season, okay? Which are the children butterflies? Children butterflies means the young ones of the butterfly, okay? Why do people keep winking their eyes? Means blinking their eyes. Where do birds sleep? Do bees like to sting? Tell me, please, everything. So the child is curious to know all these things. She's asking, why do people keep on blinking their eyes? And where do the birds sleep? Do bees like to sting? Okay? She's asking few more questions. What makes leaves grow? Okay, she is asking what makes leaves grow in the shapes they grow. Why do goldfish keep chewing? When you see the goldfish, you see that as if you feel like the goldfish is keep on chewing something, right? And rabbits wobble their noses. Wobble means twitch or wiggle very fast. Okay. So the girl is asking, the chewing and wobbling their noses, are these the habits of theirs? Okay. Where does the wind, when it goes away, go? Where does the wind go? So the girl is asking, where does the wind go? Even the grown-ups do not know about these questions. So this all the questions the girl is asking. You can just imagine a small child, a kid. You must be knowing, you must be having your brother or the younger sister. Sometimes they ask all these types of questions. And it is good to be curious to know something. If you are curious to know something, you will be getting more and more knowledge about that particular thing. Okay, if you are not curious about something, you won't be getting the knowledge. A person is curious about something, and that person will be collecting more and more knowledge about those particular thing, and you will be getting a knowledge and wisdom about that particular thing. Okay.